Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to MBA Unfiltered. My name is Akash Shinde. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to prepare for summer internships and final placements. As a lot of students are going to join B schools, and this student wanted to know that how to prepare for summer internships or how to prepare for final placements. Those students who are in B schools, क्या होता है कि they suffer a lot when it comes to summer internship as well as final placements because they don't know how to prepare for it and they don't have right guidance for it. That's why we have come up with one course where the mentors from I am Ahmedabad, I am Bangalore, TIS, I am Lucknow to Great Lakes gonna teach you according to the B school. We are bringing out mentors for you. Let me go to the websites of you know the MBA partner. This is my website where we are going to provide you one-on-one mentorships, 24 into 7 guidance, and we'll be having access to all of MBA repository. If I talk about domains, almost 98.7% people got placed in top domains. We have a strong alumni network of 500 people, and this is our rating. Let me go through the first course, which is kind of a flagship course. Yeah. So this is the placement master plus case competition plus live project course where the mentors will teach you, and there will be 5 CV slots, 7 mock PIs and 7 GDs that will be present there. 2 group sessions will be taken by the mentors who are present there. In terms of case competition, there are 30 plus case winning PPTs will be there, and we will be having a one-on-one mentorship to the students. In terms of live projects, there will be one domain for 2 months, and live projects is going to start on this month of 15th of April. So we'll provide you recorded sessions which will happen to you, and there will be 8 weekly sessions for you. This is the second combo course where we'll teach you placements mini plus case competition plus live project. In terms of placement, there will be 3 CV slots, 5 mock PIs and 5 GDs. We'll be having access to 30 plus case winning competition and PPTs, and the mentors who have cracked this case competition going to teach you. Let's say the mentors from I am Bangalore, I am Lucknow, all India rank 2 is going to be teach you. In terms of live project, we'll be having the batch. The batch is already started. This is the price of this code. आपको add to click पे click करना है, and you will get the access of it. Now let's move to the next one, placement bootcamp mini. So there will be 3 CV slots, 5 mock PIs and 5 GDs will be there. The price is around 5,999. This is the placement bootcamp mini. Second one is placement master placement bootcamp. So here we'll do 5 CV slots, 7 mock PIs, 7 GDs, domain session, 5 group sessions. And see, if you wanted to know more about it, I'll share the details to you once you join the course itself. Right? Post that, let's move to the third course, which is kind of a live course. As a lot of students wanted to know more about the course, that's why we have come up this course. Yeah, the price of this course is 8,999. This is placement maybe plus case competition, 3 CV slots, 5 mock PIs, 5 GDs, and there will be 4 mentorship session by past winners. And the batch is going to be started on 20th June. There plus 30 plus winning PPTs will happen to you. Post that, placement master plus case competition. There will be 5 CV slots, 7 mock PIs and 7 GDs. There will be some group discussion will happen to you. The batch is going to be stopped on 15th June. There will be 4 mentorship session by past winners, and batch is going to be started on 20th June. Post that, there's a placement master plus live project course. The price is around 10,999. There will be 5 CV slots, 7 mock PIs, 7 GDs, and there will be 2 group sessions that will be taken by the mentors. For each domain, the batch will be going to start on 15th June. Last one is placement mini course plus one live project, where there will be 3 CV slots, 5 mock PIs and 5 GDs. And in terms of live project, it will long for 2 months, and batch is going to be started on 15th April. पोस्ट दैट, क्या होता है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम स्टूडेंट्स आस्किंग कि यार लाइव प्रोजेक्ट कहाँ ढूंढे. सो वी आर गोना प्रोवाइड यू लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स, and there will be mentoring to happen to you. Right, the duration of the live project is 1 month. Batch will start on 15th April, and there will be 4 weekly sessions as well as 4 tasks that will be given to you. आपको task करना है. उसके साथ there will be some study material that will be given to you from top B schools. In terms of second course, which is live project plus domain. duration is 2 months. Batch is going to be start soon, and there will be 8 weekly sessions plus 8 tasks that will be given to you. Post that, there are two domains, right, in the third course, which is cost around 5500. In that, there will be recordings that will be provided to you, 4 weekly sessions for 4 tasks that will be present there, and will provide you study material and access to the top B schools. Last one is two domains, where the live project goes around 2 months, and there will be 8 weekly sessions plus 8 tasks that will be given to you. Along with that, case competition combos, most of the students are still asking me कि यार कैसे prepare करना है in terms of case competition combos. So we have come up with this case competition combos. In that, there will be 4 mentorship session by past winners. In that, we are offering 30 plus PPTs, and all these PPTs include कि let's say if there's a competition going on for Rekit, for Marico, for Flipkart, for Accenture strategy, तो वो पीपीटी हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे ताकि आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करना पड़ेगा. And last one is the cost around 3,999. The 30 plus winning PPTs will be there, and 4 mentorship session will be taken there. And timeline is 20 June to 30 July. आप यहाँ देख सकते हो. Along with that, there will be some testimonials. आप यहाँ देख सकते हो. Palak, she is going to pass out from IIM Bangalore for 2026 batch. Bhaskaranda Bura is IIM Bangalore pass out. He has given lot of details कि कैसे mentorship provide की गई and what he learned from the mentorship. Then Dheeraj Acharya, he is IIM Bangalore 2026 pass out. Rutuja Thorat, IIM Kolkata pass out. Prem, IIM Lucknow. Varun Kamble, IIM Lucknow pass out. Siba Prasad, IIM Kozhikode. Ananya, I am Exera Jamshedpur pass out. Ashutosh, I am Indore. Utkarsh Gupta, I am Indore pass out. Nidhi Malik, she is from I am Shillong. Priyanka from I am Trichy. Akhil from I am Raipur. Shrutika from I am Kozhikode. Mega from MDI Gurgaon. Sai Santosh from Exera Rai. Arpita Padi from SIBM Pune. Anik Jana from SIBM Pune. Anurag from NMMS. Sanya from NMMS. वेदिका फ्रॉम एनएमएमएस, प्रियांशी शर्मा फ्रॉम एमडीआई गुड़गांव, गौरी फ्रॉम आई एम जम्मू. तो आप यहाँ देख सकते हो कि दिस इज अवर मेंटोर्स, हमने इनको पढ़ा है, एंड दिस पीपल गॉट वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एंट्री इन टू द कॉर्पोरेट, एंड उनको मोर देन 20 lakhs की जॉब भी लगी है, राइट. सो आप यहाँ जाके टेस्टिमोनियल भी दे सकते हो. आपको जाना है mbapartner.in पे, एंड यू विल गेट द फर्दर डिटेल्स. पोस्ट दैट देयर अ खुशखबरी फॉर यू, वेयर आप मेरा कोड यूज कर सकते हो, प्रमोशन कोड आकाश 15. एंड प्रमोशन कोड की डिटेल्स है अप टू 31 मई. 31 मई तक आपको 15% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. उसके बाद डिस्काउंट नहीं मिलेगा. तो आपको वेबसाइट पे जाना है, आपको आकाश 15 लगाना है, MBA पार्टनर, एंड आपके पास कुछ क्वेरीज है, डू लेट मी नो, आई विल बी देयर टू सॉल्व यू आउट. ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू गाइस. इफ एनी क्वेरी, डू लेट मी नो.